In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record desktop audio with OBS Studio step by step so you can capture game sound, browser audio, music, or any system sound clearly and reliably. This is one of the most common issues new OBS users run into, and once you understand how it works, it's actually very simple to fix. I'll walk you through the main settings method, the recommended application audio capture method, how to check the audio mixer, and what to do if window sound settings are causing problems. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy OBS and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, let's start with the primary and most basic method, which is setting up desktop audio directly inside OBS. Open OBS Studio and look at the bottom left corner for the Settings button, then click it. In the Settings window, select the Audio tab from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a section called Global Audio Devices. Under Desktop Audio, click the drop-down menu and select your main output device. This is usually your speakers or your headphones, depending on what you're using to hear sound on your computer. Once you've selected the correct device, click Apply and then OK. Now play some audio on your computer, like a YouTube video or music, and look at the audio mixer in OBS. If you see the green or yellow bars moving under desktop audio, that means OBS is successfully recording your system sound. Now let's talk about the recommended method, which is using application audio capture. This is especially useful if you only want to record audio from a specific app, like a game, a browser, or a media player, instead of all system sounds. In OBS, go to the Sources panel and click the plus icon. From the list, choose Application Audio Capture, which is currently labeled as Beta. Give it a name if you want, then click OK. In the Properties window, use the drop-down menu to select the specific application window you want to capture audio from. Once selected, click OK. This method gives you much more control and helps avoid recording unwanted background sounds, like notifications or other apps. Next, let's make sure everything is working correctly by checking the audio mixer. Look at the mixer dock in OBS and watch for movement in the audio bars while sound is playing. If the bars are moving, that means audio is being detected and recorded. Make sure the volume slider is turned up and that the speaker icon is not red or muted. If it is muted, simply click it to unmute. You can also adjust the audio levels here to make sure your desktop audio isn't too quiet or too loud in your recordings. If you're still not getting any sound, the issue is often related to Windows sound settings. On Windows 10 or Windows 11, right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and open Sound Settings. Check your default output device and make sure it matches the same device you selected in OBS under Desktop Audio. If OBS is listening to your headphones, but Windows is sending sound to speakers, OBS won't capture anything. Once both are set to the same playback device, test again by playing audio and watching the OBS mixer. And that's it. You now know how to record desktop audio with OBS Studio using multiple methods, how to verify it's working, and how to fix common Windows sound issues. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS tips, recording guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.